Hi, I'm Alan from Prudential Realty, your GPA, Green Property Advisor. How are you doing today? I'd like to talk about greening your house, in particular, solar panels only. We're not talking about recycling gray water or making your house super insulated or putting up a big, fancy, expensive wind turbine, which have tremendous liability, as you can imagine. There goes the house next door. We're just talking about a simple example of a 3-bedroom, 2-bath house with 4 occupants, 2 adults and 2 kids. And you put up, by the law of averages, you put up 4 solar panels, hook them up into series, wire them down into the meter, and hook them up into the grid. This produces enough electricity during the day so that the meter runs backwards, and then at night, when the kids come home from school, people come home from work, and all the appliances go on and the plasma TV goes on, we start using that electricity back in from the grid. Now this is different than being off the grid, because if you're off the grid, the installation cost triples. You've got to put in a whole big battery of batteries to save the electricity that you create during the day so you can use it at night, and you might run out. What we're doing here is we're utilizing the grid as a giant battery for free. And the idea is that we produce enough electricity during the day when the sun is out that when you use it at night, it equals and it nets zero. That's the whole idea. Let's talk about the cost, for instance. It's going down all the time. Technology is improving year by year. Right now it's about, in the year 2010, right now, it's about $10,000 to $15,000 to put up 4 of these solar panels and hook them up into the grid with all the wiring and converters involved. So it's going to be a while to recoup all of that cost, although financing is available. You can add it to your mortgage. What happens is that when you sell your house, it gives the house a perceived value for people who are looking for a greened house. So it may make your house a lot easier to sell to people who are earth conscious, so to speak. It's just like putting in a pool. You may not recoup all of the cost, but it may make it easier to sell to people who are looking for and can perceive the value of a pool when they're looking for houses. So I would say go ahead and green your house. If you're a buyer, you know that when you see a house with solar panels, you want to give that house priority because you're going to be saving at least $100 a month. That's going to help on your mortgage, definitely. So my advice is to go ahead and go green, stay green, save the planet, save yourself some bucks in the process, and cheers.